Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for SQL DBMS. Today, I want to see the SQL Subquery that is called use of in and not in. So, as of now, we are discussing continuous about the queries with a simple example. Here, we want to see everything. So, when you have doubt, please kindly subscribe and share it with your friends and check the playlist. So, we are going to see now. So here, generally these SQL in and not operators generally used to specify multiple values in where class here. First of all, discover SQL in with a simple example. These are the condition is used to allow multiple value in a where class condition. Moreover, we can use when you need to use multiple or condition, and we can allow only specific value in insert, update, delete, and select statement. And the syntax is like this: where column name in value 1, value 2. Let's see the example. Let's assume that you have a table, consider the data like you consider the information like roll number, student name, student gender, student age, and student percent like that. So like this, see, continue by George, student gender male, student age is 14, and age is, sorry, percentage is 85. Similarly, Monica, Jessica, and Tom, and so on. Now I'm going to give the condition. How means query like select the student percent, that's a student table name from student where student age in 12, 13. The meaning is what? Who student, whatever the information here, whose age is 12 and 13, it will be taken and show the output here. So when you execute the query, it will print the result like 88 and 84. Let's show the example here. So output is generated like student percent 88 and 84. So simple example for understanding about the in SQL in operator. Let's go for another one that is called not in. This one always used to exclude the defined multiple value in a where class condition, and also identify by not operator. The syntax is like this: not in condition used with where class to exclude defined multiple value from record data. So where column name not in value 1, value 2. That means what? It's quite opposite of SQL in operator. So we can give the condition like that: not between condition and lock not like condition. Here, let's assume that the same table where consider roll number, student name, student gender, student age, and student percentage. It consider, now we are going the query like that. So select student person, that is table name, from student where student age not in 12, 13. That means what? Except this 12 and 13, remaining data will be printed, remaining information printed here. So when you give the query, what will happen? It will print the student person, that is percentage like 85 and 78, because we are already given not in. So 12 and 13 left out, remaining it will print here. At last we'll discuss this one. That means SQL between with not example. Here we have some user information table where you have to select rows with odd condition, exclude no number column range from 6 to 10. That means from except 6 to 10 we can select everything. So we can give the query like this: select star from users information, the table name where number not between 6 and, let me see the list, 6 and 10. So that means what? Except 6 and 10, what are the range? It will print everything. So it will print the result like number, name, address, and contact number and birth date. So let's assume that you have a table of around 10 data, 10 employees data type, 10 employees data. So when you give the query, it will print not between 6 and, so 1 to 5 it will print, at last print 5 rows selected. I hope that you understand about this SQL in and not operator. Remaining we'll see in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.